In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do is find a broker which supports gold trading and of course buying, and then you have to create an account with them for MT4 and sign into your MT4 account with that broker to be able to buy gold. Now, if you're currently signed into a broker and you are not sure if it has gold or not, let me show you how to check this. So first, you want to go to View top left and you want to click on Symbols or press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. In here, you'll see there's going to be a bunch of different things, and over here, as you can see, there's really a lot, and I have metals over here. So for you, you could be able to see like metals or something similar. So I'm just going to go and click on that, and as you can see, gold indeed is in here. So you simply have to click on it and click on show, or double click on it to basically show it. When it gets the color, this dollar sign, it means it's now in here. So if you have this, you can click on close and you'll be able to find it inside your market watch. As you can see, for me, it's down here at the bottom. But that's not the only thing you can do. Of course, you could go and use like a demo account from MetaQuotes, which I have over here. I'm just going to log in very quickly. There we go. And you can look for XAU USD as well. So I'm going to go to symbols again. And then in here, if I go to Forex, you can see at the bottom XAU USD is here. I can double click to enable it and click on close. Here on the market watch, I have XAU USD. I can just right click and click on chart window. In here, it's going to pop up, of course, gold. You can go and click on new order at the top of your, of course, this chart, or you could just press the F9 key on your keyboard. You can select gold over here, select the volume, stop loss, take profit if you wanna, select the comments and of course order types and stuff like that, and then hit this buy button over here, and that's basically all you have to do to basically buy gold on MT4. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.